Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today's video is going to be really quick, and today's video is actually going to be a product first impression and a review video. I filmed this look right over here and I just thought of taking it off, and obviously I was about to take it off and then I received my parcel from Nykaa and I actually purchased this Simple Purifying Face Wash and this newly launched Simple Daily Ultra Light Liquid Moisturizer, a newly launched product from Simple. And this is not sponsored by Simple. They don't know who I am. Also came out with a face scrub maybe, and I think a face wipe as well, but I just thought of purchasing these two products and that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to give you guys my honest first impression and a kind of review as well. Obviously this is a skincare product. I'm trying it out for the first time, so I have to check it out again and again just to give you guys a proper review. Pretty much very interested how it will work. I am a big fan of Simple products. I have their micellar water with me, which as you guys can see I have used it so much, but it's not my personal favorite because I think I use that product whenever I wash my face completely with a cleanser, product which I use after removing my makeup, because this is very mild and I think it cannot remove my eye makeup that well. So I personally love using that was the micellar water because this is an oil based micellar water, but my absolute favorite is the Blue Heaven one, but I don't have it with me right now. I just finished it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm quickly going to take off my makeup with some micellar water. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. So I'm just going to take off my eyelash. I'm just going to take off this like glitter thing that I used for this makeup look. Before removing my makeup, I always use this particular reusable cotton pad from Earth Rhythm, a really good one, and I use my micellar water. Currently I'm using this Bella, oh I just mentioned it wrong, it is Bella Vita, not Bella Voste. Just like to use it pretty much. I am just going to remove all my makeup. Before using any kind of cleanser, removing your makeup is a must, guys. Fold it like this and I try to remove all my eye makeup. Pretty much it, I removed everything. All my makeup is gone. Now it's time to use this particular product. So this one is the Simple Purifying Face Wash. This mentions that this will deeply clean your skin and control shine, and it will give you a clear skin. The particular product claims that this contains no artificial color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. It also mentions that it does not contain any salicylic acid. Say it's known to cause skin dryness. It does not contain any alcohol and it also does not contain any mineral oil in it. But this particular product claims that this contains zinc and witch hazel, but I will say, like, I researched it and I know that hazel can actually cause you irritation and dryness as well, which I don't understand why they thought of using witch hazel in their product. Hazel is not good for sensitive to dry skin people. It can cause you irritation and it can actually make your skin even more drier. Is that this particular product is for oily and blemish prone skin. And yeah, that's pretty much it. They have mentioned all their ingredients right over here, and when I was checking out their ingredients, the one thing that I noticed is this particular product contains SLS in it. Bad, obviously. So that's the reason I just thought of mentioning it to you guys, because SLS is not good for your skin. SLS is not good for your hair. What I really like about this product, it contains no fragrance in it. So it is a 150 ml product which costs for rupees 375. I'm just going to quickly show you guys the packaging. It is a very like chunky tube kind of a packaging. Here they have mentioned everything, the name of the brand. It contains zinc, witch hazel, and what it does not contain. Like right over here it is written, it does not contain artificial color, perfume, etc. And yeah, I think they are very transparent with their consumer. They have mentioned everything that this product contains. The main issue that I think is witch hazel and SLS, and they have clearly mentioned that I think the fourth or fifth ingredient is SLS over here. So it's a little bit higher here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm quickly going to wash my face with it, use this product. So I'm just gonna take the face wash. This is like very thick. I can already say this is what it looks like. As they mentioned, it is transparent. It does not contain any fragrance, but I can smell a very light, like a very light smell. It's not completely fragrance free, but they also mentioned that they haven't used any artificial fragrance in it, so I think that's good. Fragrance free is something when you don't smell anything when you use the product. I'm gonna use it. Okay, I can definitely say it contains like small, very small particles, and it is very mild. I can actually feel it. I don't know whether you can see it or not. I don't think you can see it, but it contains very like small grains, a little bit of sensation all over my skin. That's the reason it is not good for sensitive skin people. It can like make your skin more red somewhere, can feel the dryness, and that's not good. That's because it contains witch hazel. It is making my skin completely dry, and that's something I don't like. Few people are there, they really love products which will actually take away their oil and which will actually make their skin dry. Like few oily skin people, they actually love this kind of face wash which will actually make your skin dry, very fresh. And like obviously my skin is feeling very fresh. I am not gonna lie, my skin is feeling very fresh. It just removed everything from my skin, but because actually I can feel this area right over here, it is getting drier and drier. So I'm quickly add the moisturizer. Second product, this is what it looks like, the outer packaging. This one is the Simple Sensitive Skin Expert Ultra Light Liquid Moisturizer for 24-hour hydration plus instant matte effect. Okay, this product also contains witch hazel and zinc in it. It also says it contains no artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemicals, no mineral oil, and also no alcohol as well. It says while a blend of glycerin and vitamin B3 maintain a healthy balance to protect against future blemishes. It's made for your blemishes as well if you have a blemish prone skin. It says that it will detox your skin in a gentle way as well, and they have mentioned all their ingredients. See right over here, they have mentioned all their ingredients over here, but I cannot actually see SLS written, so that's the good thing. Also this product contains castor oil and also few flower leaf extracts as well. It contains glycerin. Feel like it is going to be a very lightweight moisturizer, as the product actually mentions that this is an ultra light liquid moisturizer. Also mentioned it right over here that this is for blemish prone and oily skin, that it is perfect for sensitive skin as well. Okay, let's see. So this is what the product actually looks like, and everything that was mentioned here, it is mentioned right over here as well. Apply it in a small amount daily on clean dry skin every morning and evening. Can be used on its own as a moisturizer or as a primer. Okay, so they say that this is a moisturizer, but this is like not exactly a moisturizer. I can feel that, and I can just absolutely say, like, you can hear the sound, it is like water. I can say that, like, it is very okay. This is the consistency. It's very liquid, just like water. Looks something like this, very transparent, very liquidy. It's kind of like a serum based moisturizer. It's kind of like that. It is a perfect moisturizer for summers, especially for oily skin people. This is going to be a lifesaver. Smell that very mild smell that I was getting from this particular product. And yeah, I'm just going to take the product and I'm just going to use it all over my skin. Same thing, as soon as I applied this moisturizer, my skin is feeling a little bit, getting a little bit sensation right over here. It's just because of that witch hazel, that like my skin is not feeling very intensely moisturized, but it is actually giving me moisture. I think this is a perfect moisturizer for summer, and especially if you have extremely oily skin, I think this is a really good moisturizer for you. Personally, as I have oily combination skin, I think I am going to use it during summer, so I'll use it during winters, but I am going to repeat it with my normal moisturizer. Like after using this particular product, I'm going to use my regular moisturizer that I usually use. The second layer that I used, my skin is looking super fresh and glowy and moisturized. Okay, so now I'm just going to mention everything all together, what I think about these two products. So first I'm going to talk about this product right over here. I'm going to rate this product a 6 out of 10 because this product contains witch hazel, which I personally don't like, and also it contains those small grains which is actually making my skin a little bit irritated somewhere. I'm giving it a 6 because it also contains SLS in it and it is not good for your skin somewhere. So yeah, I will say if you want to try it out, just give it a try and see. It is really affordable. It is a big chunky tube for just 375 rupees and they always have discounts going on, so I think it is a really reasonable product to purchase. And I mentioned it on my other videos as well that I personally am a simple product user, but this product somewhere was not my thing because it contains witch hazel and it is actually making my skin super dry. Personally, for my skin, I am not going to use something which contains witch hazel. I think if you try out by yourself, I think you will understand it more. This liquid moisturizer, this is a very unique product. It says it's a moisturizer. It is actually a very good moisturizer. My skin is feeling so moisturized. It is very lightweight. I am going to rate this product a good 8 out of 10. I think you can definitely go and buy it. This product claims that it does not contain any SLS in it. It contains witch hazel though, but I think somewhere I really like this particular product. I am definitely going to use my normal moisturizer after using this product because I think this is not enough as a moisturizer for your skin. If you have combination or normal skin, I think you should go with another moisturizer after using this particular product because it is somewhere like contains that serum kind of a texture, also chemical free and affordable as well. I think I forgot to mention the price. It is a 50 ml product which costs for rupees 199, so I think it is quite good. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. One was like not a good product for me, like a 6 out of 10 kind of a product, and the other one was pretty good for me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think this first impression kind of a small review demo kind of a thing helped you, and if it helped you then please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.